guys, let's make espresso with this Staresso espresso machine. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. First, read the instructions and put all your pieces together, just like so. Add in your ground coffee. Press it down. Then add in your hot water. Cover. Then press until you get your espresso. Let's go. And now you have your espresso, quick and easy. And also, you can customize your espresso as you like. Ice, espresso, and your favorite creamer. Mix well and enjoy. Head to the link in my bio and order your Staresso today. Bossing, bossing.